Good morning. Are you happy? Look, Callum. Look at the little airplane.
Wow.
Cute.
Cute one. The cute one.
Linnea, are you watching? Yeah. Yeah.
Cake. Salad. Salad. He's watching him. He's watching the tail.
Yeah.
Auch mal hier. Hier.
Look how it's got him. He's watching Carlo.
Ja. So,
Wow.
gut, das ist dünn genug. Jetzt nimmst du eins zum Ausstechen. Wenn ich es mag, Krokodil oder das Krokodil. Oh.
Ui.
Ja, oder nicht? Ganz vorsichtig.
That's watching.
Are you rolling, Linnea?
Ganz kurz. Oh,
Thanks.
okay.
Good.
So.
Yeah. Fertig. The weather is supposed to be pretty lousy today. We've done a lot of outside stuff already. It's so crazy how the weather changes. On Monday it was hot, 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 hot and sunny. Yesterday was hot, partly cloudy. Today it's supposed to be pretty cold and rainy. Or cold as in cold for what it has been the past few days. And I thought today would be a really good day. What bus is that? I didn't know that bus stopped here. Huh. Anyways, I thought today would be a really good day to go to Canary Wharf. I think we're gonna actually meet Roman and do some lunch all together. He's been working throughout the week, so it'll be nice for him to get to do something with us. And so he's gonna take his lunch break and just hang out with us. And then my mother-in-law and I are gonna walk over with the kids over to the Docklands Museum. Come here. Did you have fun baking?
Yeah. We're going to bungee train.
Take the bouncy train, go to the Docklands Museum. Gonna have a fun day, huh?
We'll meet Papa.
We're gonna have a fun day. Here in Canary Wharf, we're gonna meet up with Papa. It's not lunch break, so it's pretty quiet outside. That'll change in the next 30 minutes or so. You cold? He was running in water and splashing 2 days ago in the hot sun, and now he's cold and shaking in Canary Wharf. Crazy. Huh? I know! They're so tall, huh? Yeah? Callum, that is the second tallest building in London. Boom. You ready? There we go. We're gonna have fun, huh? Yeah. Papa's ordering with Oma. Okay? Callum just ate it.
Hast du die gebacken, Callum?
Give it to Papa. Is it good? Yeah. Yum, yum, yum. We said bye to Papa, and now we're over at the Docklands Museum. Callum and Oma and Linnea are watching a movie here. The three of them about to go to sleep. Okay, but two hands. Be very careful. Okay, two
We're
hands.
on the Douglas Museum. He's watching a movie.
Yeah.
Whoa, there's water. Whoa, there's lots of stuff over there.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the gallery, the kid place, in just a minute.
Oh, there's a boat. There's a big boat. There's a museum. The lights. There goes people. Whoa. They're walking away. Going to the museum.
Okay. You wanna say bye now?
Bye.
Okay. So we're just sitting here killing some time before we go to the Mudlarks Gallery, which is where the little kids can play. Hi. Hi, big girl. It's a cloudy day over here in Canary Wharf, and this is cool because this is where they brought stuff in. Ooh, we're on the top floor of the warehouse. This is one of the oldest warehouses in London. Very cool. There's Linnea. Hi. Hey. Hi. Hi, Nini. Hey. There's a little boy that she's playing with. Linnea's very interested in other kids, but she's definitely a little more careful. She watches a little bit more than Callum ever did. Hi. Yeah, you can go play. It's a little baby. Bye-bye. 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 Yeah. You're playing with the boats? Is it fun?
Yes.
Are you playing river? Okay. Is this the Thames? No. No? Okay.
No.
Okay. Hey. All right. You're laying on some bananas? Linnea. I know. As long as no one comes down. Huh? Are you guys having fun?
Yes, I think.
Okay, there she goes. We're outside. It is raining hardcore. We just left the museum. We were up there. And now Callum's playing in some puddles and stuff. There he goes. I brought his rain stuff, which was a really good decision because it's raining so much. There you go. Ciao, West India Key. Not such a nice day, but it was good to be inside. Open the door.
Ja, geht nochmal rein. Geh nochmal mit rein. Nein, nicht mehr. No, ein Wackelkarton.
Are you still trying to fix that?
Yeah.
You know they're gonna mess it up in 10 seconds. I don't. Linnea. You got your Oma. You got your Oma.
Wo ist Callum?
Geh ich raus? Warum?
Roman, what's happening over there?
Kindergarten time.
Kindergarten time. Are you still working on this?
Yeah.
Jeez. It's time for the kids to go to bed. I need to edit.